I just wanted to show you I made a little device here with two knife blades on it, and it's on a handle, and the exact measurement is 3 small washers in between the blades, and I have it set into a handle, a wood handle, and this is for making my holes in the strap, the sleigh bell strap, and I just go down to a certain depth, and I'll go ahead and take my gold spot,
What are you doing?
and I'm introducing this to the holes. Punch it down. Perfect. And I just take a little metal and bend over the eyes, and it comes out perfect. I'm going to patent this.